Hi everyone, Melissa Tierney, your Santa Barbara Realtor and Keller Williams Real Estate Planner. Here's your October 2025 Santa Barbara market recap in just under 3 minutes. South Santa Barbara County continues to show very steady, healthy demand, even in a higher interest rate environment. Inventory has increased slightly, but we're still sitting at about 3.55 months supply, which means the market is still seller leaning, but the buyers are getting a little bit more breathing room. Year to date, we've had 1,156 total home sales, which is about a 10% increase over last year. Prices remain strong. Single family average price is about 3 million, which is up 6%. Single family median price is at about 1.895%, which is also up 6%. The average price for condos is about 1.387, up about 11% year over year, which shows continued confidence in that core market where most families, move up buyers, and downsizers tend to focus. Buyers, if you are a buyer looking to get into the market, things you need to know. Inventory is up slightly, but competition is still very real. 37% of sales are all cash, so financed buyers need a very strong strategy. Side note, I tell all of my buyers to get when they're getting pre-qualified to get fully underwritten. Very competitive move there. This is also the time to negotiate credits, rate buy downs, or even timing advantages. Rates are projected to continue kind of easing a little bit into 2026, which means more buyers will re-enter the market. So acting sooner may give you the edge. Sellers, if you're thinking about selling, prices are strong and still climbing. Homes priced correctly are selling very quickly and cleanly. Downsizers and move-up buyers are pretty active, and cash buyers help reduce a little bit of friction and can definitely keep timelines predictable. This is a very strong window for sellers, especially in the 1 to 2 or the $2 to $4 million ranges where most of this activity is happening. For investors, the most active segments are in the 2 million and under range, which is great for future liquidity. Cash flow buys are becoming easier as rents tend to stabilize. 1031 exchange buyers are very active, and the DST interest is starting to increase a little bit in some sectors. Long-term appreciation remains one of the strongest here in California. Santa Barbara continues to be one of the most stable markets in the state, and investors know it. So, in closing, if you are planning a move, whether it's buying, selling, downsizing, or investing, and you want a strategic plan tailored to your goals, we need to talk. I'm Melissa Tierney, and I am here to help you build, protect, and transfer generational wealth through your real estate. My contact information is below in the description. Schedule a no obligation strategy session using the link in the description, the Calendly link below. Cheers.